What's up guys, Hacker007 here. In today's video, we'll be customizing my keyboard using custom keys, green ones and transparent ones. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm installing is these transparent keys from Macs. Now, and then the second thing I'm installing is the green keys. So just a little disclaimer here, everything you see I purchased myself, so this is no paid review. So anyway, the green keys are pretty much going to go around the whole outside of the keyboard. So we're looking at like the shift, control, caps, tab, the F function keys at the top. This is the whole outside border. Now I purchased these keys from, so the transparent keys came from Mac's keyboards and the green keys came from WASD. So I'll have links to both their websites in the description below. WASD also includes a keyboard cap remover, and I'll be showing you guys in this video how to use that. It's a pretty neat little tool. So the first thing we're installing is the transparent keys. So the transparent keys, there's 6 of them. I'm going to be installing them on the escape key, WASD, and then these 4 arrow keys. So we'll get started with that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our WASD key remover, and pretty much we just pin it around the key, do a little twist, and it comes right off. You can also see below we have the mechanical blue switches with the green LED. So we're going to go ahead and just remove all these. Alright guys, so we finished the first 6 keys, the transparent ones from Mac's keyboards. I think they're pretty awesome. As you guys can tell, light goes through. Unfortunately on the camera you guys probably can't see it too well, but in person it looks pretty freaking awesome. I'll have a link to the exact product that I bought in the description below. Now it's time to install all 3 sets of green keys, which will pretty much cover the whole outside of the keyboard. So I'll show you guys a few shots of that, and then I'll just skip to the part where I'm done, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, that's it for the video. So I'll do a quick little recap. So I replaced all the green keys, or all the green keys, sorry, are WASD keyboards. I'll link in the description below to them. And then the transparent keys are from Mac's keyboards, and I'll have a link in the description below for them as well. Overall, installing the keys were pretty damn easy. The only real hard part was the shift and enter keys, as on Razer keyboards, instead of having like 3 prongs, they have these 2 little hooks instead, and so this, like, sliding them out from the little metal piece was rather annoying. But overall though, the whole process took about 20 minutes, and depending on how many keys you're doing, it can take less. And guys, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave these below as well. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This is the Hacker007, and I'm signing out.